Guys, today is a Sunday. Drive into the center of Tokyo. What you're seeing is Tokyo Towers, and this directions. Before this is amazing. So amazing that the background is blue sky and the Tokyo Tower solidly standing in this location. Here I'm at the Budokans. This is near the one of the Sakura view spot they call Kudanshita. This is the area called the Chidorigafuchi. And all the crowd, what you're seeing, I didn't know what's going on. There's something going on. Here you look at it, the Tokyo University, not the Toyo University, having the entrance ceremony at the Budokans. Usually Budokan is known for having a concert. This is the gate. And here, if you walk to, this is the part of the Emperor's Palace, and all those crowd is toward Toyo University's the entrance ceremony. Here, it's so noisy that this area is always the political party is using the speaker to shouting at the belief of the political aims. And this is amazing that all the crowd and the people who are the mass people attending participation to all the Toyo universities. And at the same time, all the people come over here for the viewing. And on the other hand, all the political party obtained because there's so many crowd of people here. So they saw this is a good spot to the shouting out for whatever the claim for the political beliefs. Here, if I'm going to be away from it, you gotta enjoy it. I have to walk from here. It's about 5 more minutes. Then you are going to see is the cherry blossom viewing spot. Here on the left side is Emperor's Palace, and the beautiful blooming at the sun. Here I'm walking toward the Chidorigafuchi, one of the best view stop in the area called the Kudanshita in the center of Tokyo. And all you see is, because today is Sunday, I believe this is like a last weekend you'll be able to observe the cherry blossom. You see it's already past the fully bloom. Okay, so each petal is the pointing part. You see is it's kind of beautiful. It's a pointing part. It's nice. Well, unless if I'm going to away from it, you will enjoy. But so bear with me on all the noise and sounds on the background. And here I'll be able to walk about 10 to 15 minutes. And you'll be able to enjoy. Let's look at the left side, Emperor's Palace-side. It's interesting at the wall, the Tokyo castles, remaining of the Tokyo castle wall. Yeah, there's a bunch of the sakura trees, the cherry blossom trees there. So usually, if you come to this area, it's full of people. So soon, maybe last week, it'll be, I guess, the peak of the people coming over here to observe it. And but still, this is the best spot. You see, if you walk around it and all around and. So you'll be able to walk around the Emperor's Palace, and you walk around underground underneath of the cherry blossom trees. And each one, it's so amazing how the tree is toward the Emperor's Palace side. So with your own space, because of the less crowd, I was expecting more people at this location. But since there are not too many people, so with your own space, so walk around, enjoy the view of the Sakura tree on here on the left side, and the one way they made this is like a one way from the people can walk the right path or left path, but it's all the walking toward the farther way. So if you like to return right across the street, they made the path, and you finish like watching the sakura trees, you could walk back to your waveforms. And here, the best way is come to by train, but if you like to drive a car, there's a public parking space in the whole, usually called the Budokan. There's one parking, another public parking, and the Imperial Palace parking. So that's the cheapest way. If you are not able to park, if you're trying to park around this area, it's gonna be expensive. So if you are trying to come over here, but you have to come here earlier. If you missed it, you have to wait a long time to park in your car, especially if people are trying to park the car at the cheapest like a public parking. There. Here, since I am like away from the main street of Kudanshita, so you don't hear any the noise coming from. So this is so quiet, and just observe the view of the wall, and the water is around this Edo castle remaining. The way is beautifully, because so many trees is around with the river. So you see that so many people riding on the board because of the time of the cherryblossoms. So with your own space, you can ride on the board and go around it. So that's his own way of enjoying as the sakura trees. This is the best way because today is very warm, so I'm just wearing the t-shirt, so you don't have to wear the long sleeves. And the wind is not too cold, it's just adequate. Sometimes because of the wind blow, and the sakura tree petal is falling from each trees. This is a quiet moment and to enjoy the last view of the sakura trees. The last time I came over here as a full people that there's no way as the people can't going one way to the other. The people are pushing around. So whenever you come to this area last time, it's just came over here to see that a bunch of people not come over here to watch the sakura trees. But today is a totally different. Because I came over here and Sunday morning is around 10. So maybe that's why. So what you're seeing is a torii on the right across the street. There are the Yasukuni shrine. The one the shrine is located. And the main street and outside. The only thing you have to be careful if you're trying to bring your dog, they don't allow to bring the dog into the sakura viewings. The first time I came over here with my dog, I was rejected, so I couldn't go in, so I have to wait outside. So from the outside view, I was just seeing the sakura tree last times. So this is the one thing. if you're trying to bring your pet, they don't allow to here. So this is the entrance. I just came up from the Budokan way, so I'm going back. I'm just passing through the entrance toward the Budokans. And right now, you don't see no more the university's entrance ceremony related people. They already went into the Budokans. So all you see is all the tourists after observing the cherry blossom and walking toward other view, and there's another park here you can watch. And this is like a good exercise from here to the other side. So probably it's gonna take about 15 minutes. This is very interesting. You can't believe that this location is located in the center of Tokyo. Here, this is a Budokan. You just saw it full of people because all the people are in this building, so you don't see them. So usually, if they have any ceremonial and any event, this is what they'll look like. But if they have a concert, any kind of, it's a full of people. Well, this is my cherry blossom viewing in the center of Tokyo.